You're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing an Amazon wig review. It's gonna be a full lock hair. I'm gonna do the unboxing with me, then install it in one video. If you guys want to see this video, make sure you guys go ahead, like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. So let's get started with the video. So your Amazon package, I'm just gonna open it so you guys can see it here, and I'm gonna leave the like a screenshot right here at the side so you guys can see where I purchased the hair. Like, it's on Amazon, but the company, so on and so forth, the pricing and stuff. I believe it was like I think it was $40. Yeah, I think it was $40. And soku.com here, Soku here, and you can follow them on Amazon at Soku Amazon store, and their email address is right there. They also have a WhatsApp where you can WhatsApp them and stuff like that, so you can go ahead and check them out. So let me just open the box. Ooh. Use a scissors to open it right here. Okay, now the box is open. Let's see what comes in it. So you have the hair, you have some lashes, and you also have the cap, the wig cap. Let's just go ahead and look at the hair. And this is a full lock hair, by the way. A full lock wig. So this is how it looks, and I got it in brown. It does come with some baby hair right here. Doesn't have any smell, any factory smell, so that's good. We have a comb. Comes with combs, It looks good, looks good. So let's just get started with the video. Okay, so let's get started. Let's take this bad boy off. You shake this bad boy off. Ooh. Ooh. Yo. Alright, I need to get some alcohol to wipe this off. So I'll be back. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. Getting started right here. Getting started right here. About time for you to get it started. Getting started right here. Getting started right here. Everybody's talking, saying that we're on it.
should give them something, something to talk about. Cause everybody's talking, saying that we're homeless. So we should give them something. Let's give them something to talk about. Last night, haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time. I'ma get mine, live my best life. Best life, best life. Haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time. I'ma get mine, live my best life. Best life. All right, let's just do it right. 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 Ooh, 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 Last night, haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time. I'ma get mine, live my best life. Best life, best life. Haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time. I'ma get mine, live my best life. Best life. All right, let's just do it right. 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 Ooh, 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 Get it started, get it started right here. Get it started right here. About time for you to get it started. Get it started right here. Get it started right here. Last night, haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time. I'ma get mine, live my best life. Best life, best life. Haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time. I'ma get mine, live my best life. Best life. All night, let's just do it right. 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 Ooh, 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 Last night, haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time. I'ma get mine, live my best life. Best life, best life. Haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time. I'ma get mine, live my best life. Best life. All night, let's just do it right. 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 Ooh, 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 started right here. About time for you to get it started. And get it started right here. And get it started right here. Last night, haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time. Now I'ma get mine, live my best life. Last night, haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should.
Hey guys, so I'm back. So I just finished with my hair. This is how it looks. Like, yeah, it looks pretty good. So this is how the back looks. Very full, lightweight. I really love this hair. It was only $40 on Amazon. If you guys want to go check it out, I'll make sure I'll leave the link down below so you guys can purchase it if you guys want to. But yeah, this is how the hair looks. I did make some little baby hair and stuff, so yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing some TikToks and stuff. I keep saying and stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna be making some TikToks. I look like a little poodle, like a pretty little poodle. Yeah, so tell me guys if you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. We're almost at 4K, and remember, when I reach 4K, that's when I'm going to do the giveaway. So if you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to come over to iamjustgeorgiak and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys.